Hello guys, my Oraimo Watch 6 just came in today. This is my unboxing and first impression video. Honestly, I've been waiting for the Watch 6 itself after the success of the Watch 5. The packaging is very similar to the previous series, even the exact same box size if you ask me. The features of the watch are on the box right here. So we have AI generated watch faces. We also have Panda Glass, heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, and 8-hour or 8-day battery usage rather. Then this package comes with a free extra strap right here. Then at the back you get the full specs of the watch right here, and on the right side you'll find the authentication code to check the originality of this watch. So let's open this real quick. Alright, so this watch comes with a magnetic charging cable for hassle-free power-ups. The thing is, you don't even need to charge it for the first time if you want to use it, or is it really necessary? What do you think? And this is a soft black silicone strap. I think it's a nice bonus and would be useful when the other one wears out. So that's it's very soft. Okay. Then right here we also have wait, user manual. Okay, we have the usual welcome guide right here, which contains the instructions on how to use the watch and troubleshooting tips. So guys, let me introduce you to the official Oraimo Watch 6. According to Oraimo, it's a 2.04 inches TFT screen with Panda Glass. I'm not a big fan of rubber straps on the smartwatch, but luckily it can be changed. And just a reminder, if you want to get this, you can buy it from the official Oraimo website and use my coupon code displayed on your screen for a 5% discount. Alright, so the straps are still okay and quite long. I love the build quality overall. It looks clean and the screen gives that AMOLED vibe, though this is not AMOLED. So the next thing is to power it up. Alright, the next thing you should do is to connect the Watch 6 to your phone. You will need the Oraimo Health app. So I already have the app here. Make sure you allow all the necessary permissions after you pair the device to your smartwatch so you don't run into any issues. Allow and okay. There's a firmware update already. Who reported the bug? So I'm just going to allow this to update. And alright, this is the official Watch 6 itself. We have different watch faces, and you can also add a custom image using the Oraimo Watch Oraimo app. Notification. Alright, this is activity, heart rate, blood oxygen monitoring, pressure, sleep, and music. Alright, I'm just going to test it and check out all the features later. I'll give you updates about everything and also the differences. Honestly, I'm yet to notice the main difference between this and the Watch 5, apart from the IP68 water resistance. But my fingers are still crossed. I'm going to use this for a few days before reviewing it. To use the full features of the watch, don't forget to download the Oraimo Health app, available on both Android and iOS. So tell me guys, what do you think about this watch? Do you consider upgrading from the Watch 5 or getting this as a new watch? It's sold for 25,900 naira via the Oraimo website, and don't forget to use my discount code displayed on your screen to get a 5% discount. So I'm just going to test out everything in this smartwatch, and at the same time I will also be doing a quick comparison between the Watch 6 and the Watch 5. So make sure that you are subscribed and you don't miss out, especially if you want to upgrade or if you want to know the differences between this and the Watch 5 itself. Alright, so that will be all for now. My name is Mr. Roy. Drop a comment, smash that like button, and subscribe for the full review. Thanks for watching. This is All Around Review, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.